going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. We went from 150 to almost 5,000 in 2 weeks. I have no idea how that happened, but it's absolutely awesome. I'm glad you guys are liking the content. So what I got for you today is I got something for the channel. It's going to make some really cool videos. I also have done some new things to the truck, and I ran to New Jersey last week after home time and got some cool videos of like the Jackson tunnels, homeless people walking down the center of the road in rush hour traffic, and a truck broke in half. So make sure and stick around to see that. But first, let's get on to the video, get unboxing this stuff. Before we get to the unboxing, I do want to show you guys something. Trucker Path. This is an app for truck drivers. It shows you where all the truck stops are around you, parking, rest areas, way stations, absolutely everything you need to know, especially whenever you run an e-log and you got to find somewhere to park when you're running out of time. Trucker Path is awesome. It has its own maps. It tells you the address, it tells you what the parking status is, it gives you fuel, how many showers. I mean, it gives you everything. You guys are going to see me using this throughout time on the channel, and I'll show you guys more about it. But if you don't have Trucker Path, if you're a driver, not a driver, or been driving for a while and you're looking for something to help you, I would definitely recommend getting Trucker Path, and I'll be showing you guys more features as I go. I just got the Diamond package myself. I've had it for 2 years with just the basic package, and I've got to say I really like the Diamond package. It's got a lot more to offer. It shows you all kinds of different things that I'll get into later, but for right now, let's get unboxing this stuff. All right, here we go. I've been waiting for this to come for a little over a week. It got stuck in Memphis, Tennessee for some reason. They wouldn't let it go. I had to go through some kind of importing, this, that, and the third. But it costs a lot, and I'm rather excited. If you guys thought my angles were good so far, this is gonna completely change the game. See if this works the way I want it to. Dji Maverick Air 2. Shoots 8K, 4K, slow-mo, absolutely everything. I got the Fly More combo, comes with extra batteries, blades, the whole 9 yards. So let's check it out. And I am not a reviewer or a unboxer. This is a trucking channel, but this is going to be a part of the channel, so I wanted to include you guys in on the fun. All right, come on. Come on. It's like the worst iPhone box you could get. Oh! Just take. Now that I'm done looking like an idiot, I've got to say that is quite nice. Let's see if I can get some more light in there. All right. Really nice box here. Let's see what we got in here first. Alright, there's all of our blades. Quick start guide. You don't need that, just kidding. Yes, I do. I have no idea how to fly this whatsoever, just like I don't know how to edit. So guys, bear with me on that. I'm still learning some things. Got my buddy Winston helping me on that. So, do that there. All these can go in there. Now let's see the drone itself. Oh man. Things just got serious. Holy cow. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. I believe this is the batteries for it. Alright, so there is our charger. Here's 2 of our batteries, solo charger. I've watched like 1,000 YouTube videos on it. I subscribe to the guys that I did watch. Thank you for teaching me all of that. Here is a 3-way dock for it. So each one of these batteries, from what I've seen on the internet, snap in just like that. Bam. Alright, so there's that. Here is the controller. I've got to say, this is some nice wrapping. So soft. Weird. So soft. That is the controller. Well, I have no idea how to use yet, but looks like she's already ready to go. So here are the joysticks. They're hidden in the bottom. These screw in. Oh man. It's getting real now. Ah, there we go. The phone goes in there. It will not fit on my case, so that's going to be a problem. I hope they sent a cable for an iPhone. And they did. That's the one that's in there. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, it's a Type-C and an iPhone, so it can go in either way. Now that is pretty nifty. Okay, so no, it's only the Type-C that goes in, and then it's just the iPhone cables in there right now. Awesome. So that is that. Like I said, I'm not an unboxer. I am not a reviewer. I just wanted to let you guys in on what's going to be coming up on the channel. From everything that I've heard, I have got a lot of practice to do before this is going to be anything special, but I have a lot of ideas for it already. So I'm going to start learning that now, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys what else I did to the truck. I put in a Kenworth radio, and we added in, excuse the wires, I don't have them tucked yet, 2 JL10s ported box, 1,000 watt power base amp. It's kicking pretty good. You can't hear it outside the truck, but inside the sleeper, it's insane. Inside the cab, because it goes through the section, it's not that great, but it's still pretty cool. Oh, I was pointing at my chest. Sorry guys, bear with me. You know, this is my first time actually like talking on the camera like this, but we're gonna get with it. One other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is I've had some people request for hats. I don't know about it. I was thinking about doing black hats, trucker hats like this one, to say high strung on it. If you guys are interested in that at all, I'd probably do that if we hit 10,000 subscribers, but drop a comment down below if you'd be interested in a high strung hat. I'm also thinking about doing shirts and stuff with like kind of funny catchphrases on them that's all trucker related. So drop some comments down below. If you're an artist of any kind, hit me up on the Instagram, Taco Supreme 313, which I will be changing to Life Behind the Wheel since we're actually getting pretty big now. And if you have some cool trucking designs that you'd like to see on a shirt, send them my way. Might put them on there, never know. So that's it for the unboxing and that. I'm gonna show you guys the videos. I'm running over to New Jersey, and I am going to get, I don't know if it's gonna be drone footage next up or the GPS review. I think I might do the GPS review. Drop a comment down below on that also. Let me know which one you guys want to see first, or if there's a specific video that you want. Alright guys, and that's all for this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you to all the new subscribers that have got the channel where it's going so far. Keep leaving your comments, keep telling me what you like. Some of those dislike comments are, you guys are real mean. I'm just kidding. But we're trying to get the hats, let me know about that. And we'll see you on the next trip.